I just watched Lenin. Good, very good movie, very gripping, especially second half. Very amazing. Good performance by Akhil. All the full actors, all the actors. And director, like the director's work, the way he handled the suspense elements, the way second half later on, how he convinces the audience to just go on hoping the truth. Very fantastically crafted and it's a nice way of telling the story also, and especially the performers are very engaging, and especially Akhil sir. Akhil has done very well, and very happy watching this film, and I'm happy for Akhil. All the best, Akhil. God bless you. And you've done a fantastic job and good production on, and overall, and heroine, what's her name?
Bhagyashree Reports.
Bhagyashree, and she has done phenomenally well, very well, and one more character, Vasant character.
Yes.
And his name is Vasant Pramod. Pramod is our boy, Kannada boy, and he has done very well, and all the best, Pramod. Super. The combination, the suspense elements are so beautiful that we were actually shocked to watch how it can happen like this. The way, that's what I'm saying, the way the directors handle the subject, the suspense element, and the emotions carried throughout. Brilliant performance by Akhil. All the best, God bless. Lenin is fantastic for everybody to watch and enjoy the film. Thank you.